Ang boy, save! Na-save ang bola. Easy layup by the sea. Ball out, pull up, 2 points.
Paano out? Tanggal kami sa championship. Kasama ka?
2 points na yan po.
Ano ba?
Importante manalo. Jason, easy layup.
Diba yung klase?
Run! No good! Conrad, no good. Rebound, Bumaski. Easy basket. Sakena. Two points is good. All six. Dapat si Justin, easy layup by the shoot.
Justin?
2 points by Bumaski.
Ay, may tama yung tuto. Slow it nga.
Good! 2 points. Patrick, 2 points. 5! Back.
Siyempre, ba't naman ka nahiya ako eh? Bakit na lumit
5 to shoot! Pulat! Ang ganda nun, 2 points by Bumaski.
break? Eh ako nakabantay kay Munoz. Paano break show? Naramdaman ko
Nice pass!
saan si Munoz. Buti sa ako ko lang sabi ko sila pala. Ginagawa pa kayo si Munoz.
Patrick,
May inis yun.
pulat!
Wala yun, break.
2 points by Kuya.
Laki nun no. Baba. Laki tanga. Laki tanga. Ano na tutukan?
Grabe yun! 2 points by Bumaski.
Di mo, may pila yun. Kumbaga ito kalahat. 1-4 pala na yan.
Easy layup by
Kaya
Paul.
nandito pala kami. Ako na lang sila. Kasi sira na laro nila eh.
Jason,
Basta inyo, ano ba ginawa nyo? Ano ba ginawa nyo? Ako sabi pa ni Miss Mary Joy Buwan.
Kailan! 2 points.
Ako sabi pa rin kami buwan.
Lipad, easy layup by Paul.
Alas 2 na nga po.
Ilan?
Kaya ka na.
No good. Rebound by Bumaski. Aunu, 2 points. Tatlong kalaman. Kay Sian. Sian, pull up. Rebound by Gab. Easy basket. Wala. Wala ka din. 2 points by Gab.
Mongoloy!
2 points. 10 to shoot. Easy basket. Easy basket yan. Kay Donato. Good. Nice shot. 2 points by EJ.
Ang lakas stamina.
Pull up 2 points by Sian.
Yan ha?
Nice pass to EJ. Easy basket. Gab, pinilit. Easy basket by Gab. Bam! 2 points. 2 points is good. Trap pass to EJ. Easy basket. Tito. Si Perez. Trap pass ulit. Easy basket. By number 9. Renzo. 2 points is good. Easy layup. 5 to shoot. 2 points by Sian. Easy layup by number 4. Patay ka. Bang! 3 points. Sian. 2 points. Roncho. Pinabayaan ulit. Bang! Gusto mo na. 2 points is good. Power move by Chris Perez. Sia into basket. Uy, dinami sa ere. Easy basket. Pull up. No good. Ano pa rin? Bang! Bang! 3 points. Dito ba ka? Grabe, si basket, baba sa dalawa. Two points by Sian. Foul. Two points, good.
Marky, pasok ka na.
Two points by the team.
Patay!
Another shot by the spot.
Laban na yan. Sige, gamitin mo na.
Two points.
Piraso na yun.
Ayan, medyo madalas. Saksak, easy to shoot. Good. Two points. Two points. By the sheet. Jason, easy basket. And to shoot. Two points. Easy layup. Grabe yun. Two points. Two points. Two points. Drop pass, easy basket. Ganda nun. Marky, easy basket. Five. 2 points. Three. Drop pass si Jason, easy basket. 2 points. Teammate mo mag-iisa, easy basket. Jason. 15 to shoot. Back. 2 points. 2 points. Kuya Patrick. Jason mag-isa. 2 points. Two points by Paul. Easy layup by Jason. Nico, 2 points is good. Cross pass, easy basket by Patrick. Pull up, 2 points is good. Nickmok mag-isa. Lista mo na ba? Naka-cross legs, lugi doon. 10 to shoot! 2 points. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 to shoot! 2 points is good. Kaya pa yan! Kasi ang alam. 2 points by Marky. Bam! 2 points is good. Ah! 10! 2 points. Two points by Ampor. 5 seconds remaining. Testing. Balo, easy. No good. 2 points. Stay by Tico. Easy layup. 15 to shoot. 2 points is good. Two points. Ace! score. Sian. Sian, lilipad! 2 points by Sian. Grabe yun! 2 points by Masji. Masji? Second na! 10 to shoot! 2 points by Gondro. Steal by Pinto. Pass to Brencho for EJ, easy basket. 5 seconds remaining. 2 points. Hey, what a jelly bag. Pinto. Grabe yun. 2 points by Pinto. EJ. 2 points by Brencho. 2 points by Masji. Reverse layup, 2 points by Gondro. Gandang pasa, easy basket. Bang, 2 points. Easy basket by White Sando. No good.
Ito kayo tactic ha. Iyan ako lang. Pwede ko mag-shoot? Baka-shoot?
2 points by EJ. Ilan! Bang! 2 points. Drop pass. 2 points na naman. 10 kaya naman. Drop pass to Chris Perez ng isa. Easy basket. To shoot. 2 points by Pinto. Grabe yun. 40 seconds. 2 points. Nilamben si Ran. Papakasurin ko muna. Okay lang. 2 points. Jason, easy basket by Jason. 5 to shoot. 2-pointer is good by Black Sando. Hey, 2 points by number 4. Bang! 2 points is good. Hey, 2 points by number 4. Foul. Our score. Peter. Nice pass. Niglo, 2 points. Ang ganda no. Ooh, 2 points. Easy basket by Felipe. 30 seconds. Hey, 2 points.
Number 1 ata yun bro.
Shot clock up. 2 points. 5. 2 points. 2. Patrick, back to Mikey. Pull up 2 points is good. Marky, 2 points is good. No good. Nice shot. Felipe, easy basket by Felipe. Pull up, easy basket by Black Sando. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Come on. Bam! 3 points. 20 seconds remaining.